So, hello students, we are here to learn class 10 CBSE chapter number 30, which is surface area and volume. Already we have learned this same chapter in 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, and it is now in 10th standard also. But in 10th standard, we only have application based questions. So, we will start from how many shapes we have in 10th standard. So, there are 4 shapes we are going to study, which are these shapes. What is these shapes? This is cuboid. Cuboid is having 6 faces. The opposite faces are equal to each other. Then we have a cone. Then we have a cylinder. And in the end we have a sphere. Okay. So let us start from first object, which is cuboid. So what is cuboid? Again, cuboid is a cuboid is a polygonal object which has 6 faces, and of which the opposite faces are of equal in length or equal in size. So this is a cuboid. Now I will show you how these opposite faces are equal to each other. Now you see clearly, this first face and this second face is equal to each other. This third face and fourth face are equal to each other. This fifth face and sixth face are equal to each other. So this is our cuboid. You know what is this called? This is called as a net of a diagram. Means once you unfold the polyhedron, then we got a net. So that's it. We have a cylinder. We have a cuboid. Now in the cuboid, what we have? We have 3 major components: length, breadth, and height. Let us consider this is as a length, this is as a breadth, and this is as a height. Understood? Now, first one is, what is the lateral surface area? Now what is lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is an area where we only calculate the area of walls. Let us consider a room. A room has 6 faces, of which opposite faces are equal to each other. The top and the bottom, which is floor, the roof and the floor, we are not going to take the lateral surface area. That means, in short, we are not going to take this top side area and this bottom area. And other than these two, we are going to take each and every area. So, how many faces remaining? There are 4 faces remaining. This is first one. So, what is its area? It is B into H. Plus the front B into H, because there are 2 faces which is having B into H. Plus we have this area now, which is having length into height. So L into H, and plus one more L into H. One face is this and another face is its opposite one. So 2BH plus 2LH. What we can take in common from this? We have 2 in common, we have H in common. So we will take 2H in common, B plus L. So this is the formula of lateral surface area. Understood? Now, let us calculate the total surface area. So total surface area is very simple. We have L into B. So 2L into B, because we have two faces which is having length as its one side and breadth is having second side. So one face is this one, second face is this one. And we have these two remaining formulas. Understood? Because this is the lateral surface area, and in lateral surface area, if you add the area of roof and floor, we get the total surface area. So 2 in common, LB plus BH plus LH. It will be LH, yes. Is LH. So that's it. This is the formula of total surface area. Now what is remaining in the end? We have volume. So what is volume? Again, volume means the total space occupied by the entire object. Now see, if the height of an object is same throughout, means let us say for example, we have this shape. Okay, now in this shape, the height to this side and the height to this side is same, and the surface area is also throughout same. Then for volume, we can say that base area into height is the formula for volume. Now tell me, what is its base area? It will be length into breadth, so LB, and the height is nothing but the height, so LBH. So this is the wall area. So this is the formula for volume. Now make sure that, remember always, the lateral surface area and the surface total surface area always count in centimeter square or meter square, or whatever the unit is given. So if they given foot, then foot square, and the volume is always centimeter cube or meter cube. Just remember these things. So let us move for the next object, which is, we have cylinder. So this is a cylinder, correct? Now I will show you what cylinder exactly consists of. So cylinder is simply consists of one rectangle and two circles at the top and bottom. Now if you remember, let us take one more diagram of this, and we will expand this so that it will be easy to understand. Now again, instead of lateral, we take curved surface area. Now sir, what is difference between lateral surface area and curved surface area? Lateral surface area is for flat objects like these. These are flat objects, so it is lateral surface area. And what is curved surface area? Now this is a cylindrical, but these surfaces are not flat. That is why we take curved surface area. So curved surface area simply will be this area, because we know that if we expand the cylinder, we get this area. Now what is this area actually? If you see, for this rectangle, the length of rectangle is nothing but the circumference of a circle. We know that what is circumference of circle? It is 2 pi r. And the breadth of rectangle will be height of a cylinder, this height. Understood? Therefore, lateral surface area will be length into breadth, which is 2 pi r h. There is no need to remember the formula. Okay? Now, we have total surface. Now for total surface area, in previous case also we have taken the same. In total surface area, we are just going to add the top area as well as bottom area into lateral surface area, which is in this case curved surface area. So what we have here? Circle. What we have here? Circle. What is the area of circle? It is pi r square. But now tell me, how many circles are there? There are two circles. So it will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, which is its curved surface area. Now, what we can take in common? 2 pi r. So 1 r remaining here and h is remaining here. So that's it. The total surface area is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h or h plus r. In the end, what we have? We have volume. So what is volume again? It is base area multiplied by height. So what is its base area? You see, the base area of a cylinder, is circular in shape. So clearly the base area will be pi r square and its height is given as h, pi r square. So the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Understood? So let us take next shape, which is cone. Clear? Now, what is a cone? Cone is this shape. Have you seen this shape? So this shape simply we have seen in a birthday caps or a tent, conical tent. So these are of this shape. Okay. Now remember one thing. In NCERT 10 standard textbook, it is really very precisely mentioned that if we have a cylinder, and if we have a cone which is of exactly same height, that is this height of a cone and this height of a cylinder are same, then it will take 3 cones to fill this entire cylinder. I'll show you. You see, here it is given. So what is given here? You see, if we have a cylinder and a cone which is having equal height as well as equal bases, that is the bottom, which is the radius is same and the height is also same. So in those cases, it will take 3 cones to fill one entire cylinder. That means it is quite obvious that the volume of cone will be 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Now just we have learned what is volume of cylinder. It will be pi r square h. So the volume of cone will be 1/3 pi r square h. So one part is over. Now we have second most interesting part here, which is lateral. In this case also it will be curved surface area. So for curved surface area, we need to expand the shape. So this is the expansion of a cone. Okay. Now see, for our calculation purpose, what I am going to do, I am going to convert this cone into very small parts. Means like this. These are the small parts we have taken. For our purpose, we have taken a cone also. Now, if you see carefully, you see this entire shape, this entire shape, this entire shape can be converted into a circle. Remember? This entire shape is converted into a circle. That means if you add these lengths, let us say n1, n2, n3, n4, you are going to get a pi r square, which is a circumference of circle. Because I just told you that this shape is nothing but a length of a circle. Now, in a cone, we have three major components. First one is height, next one is radius, and this height is represented by L. And in this case, this L is referred as slant height. Okay. Now, we are calculating total surface, curved surface area, and in curved surface area we have these small triangles, and we are going to add all the triangles. Now, if you see carefully, this is nothing but the slant height, which is L, and which is same in all cases. This is also L, this is also L, this is also L, this is also L. So the curved surface area will be half into, it is a formula of triangle, half into base into height. So what is its height? It is L. And what is its base? It is N1 plus half into. We will take the second triangle whose height is L and whose base is N2. So L, N2 plus we will take the third triangle which is half, its height is also L and base is N3. So N, N3, and same on we are going to add each and every triangle. Now, what is common here? Half L is common. Let us take N1 plus N2 plus N3 and plus so on. I just told you what is the sum of all N1, N2, N2, N3. It is nothing but the circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So the curved surface area of cone is pi r L. That's it. Again, no need to memorize it. You can create your own formulas. And in the end, we have total surface area. Now, total surface area, I just told you this is the third case. Total surface area is curved surface area plus the bottom area, because at the top we have only vertex here. So it will have no any area for vertex. So it will be pi r L plus the base area, which is this one, pi r square, because it is a circle. So pi r we will take in common, L plus r will be remaining. So pi r L plus r will be the total surface area of cone. Clear? Okay. In the end, we have a sphere. Sphere means simply the shape like a football or this is a sphere. For sphere, again there are very easy formulas. Sphere we have already taken in 9th standard also. It have only total surface area. Anybody knows why it has only total surface area? Because there are no top and bottom area for a sphere. So total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere, it will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the total surface area and volume of a sphere. In multiple cases, instead of sphere, they will give you a hemisphere. They will give you a hemisphere. What is this? This is a hemisphere. So for hemisphere, we have a curved surface area, because now we get a bottom area here. That is why we will calculate the curved surface area. So what is the curved surface area? It will be 4 pi r square divided by 2. It will be 2 pi r square. Then we have total surface area. Again the total surface area will be the bottom area plus curved surface area. So it will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, and it will be 3 pi r square. In the end, we have volume. It will be 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 2, because it will be the half of volume of a sphere. So it will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. And the initial rules are the same, that if you see area, the unit will be centimeter square or meter square. If you see volume, the unit will be meter cube, centimeter cube, foot cube, whatever unit is given. And if unit is not given, you are going to write unit cube. Okay, because it will be whatever the unit is there. Understood? So let us take one question. Let us take this first question. So what is the question? Two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. That means there are cubes. Cube is this kind of shape which has all equal faces. We also played the cube. So two cubes which are joined end to end. That is so like this. So two cubes are attached to each other. So which shape we are going to get? We are going to get a cuboid. So they are asking you to find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Now they have given the volume of cube. So volume of cube is 64 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of cube is nothing but the side cube. Therefore, the side cube will be 64. Therefore, the resulting side of a cube is nothing but 4 centimeters. Understood? Because 64 is the cube of 4. So, we have a cube whose side is 4. Now, the breadth will also 4, The height will be also 4. Now we have 2 cube, so we have 4 here. So that's it. We got a cuboid whose length is 4 plus 4. Length will be 8, width will be 4, and height will be 4. So what is the question? Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Now remember always, if they are asking you surface area, always go for total surface area. So the total surface area will be, it is 2 LB plus BH plus LH. So it will be 2 in bracket 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4. It will be 2 into 32, 16 and again 32. So 32 plus 32, 64. 64 plus 16, 80. And 80 into 2, it will be 160. Now it is area. So I told you already, it will be centimeter square. So in the end, write down the final answer in words. So the total area of resulting cuboid will be 160 centimeters square. Understood? So thank you so much.